Good morning students. This video is for class 1 children and the subject is computer. Now in this video I am going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 3. So first of all you open your computer book, page number 15. So chapter number 3 you can see in your book, page number 15, and the name of this chapter is Parts of a Computer. So in this video we are going to discuss about different parts of a computer. First of all I am going to explain it with your book, what is given there, what are the different parts is given in your book. One by one I am going to discuss about that particular part in this class. Hello children, look at my different parts. Computer is speaking that please look at my different parts. The first part is given in your book. It is I am a monitor. The main screen, it looks like a television. That particular screen is called a monitor. So this is the monitor, and what is the work of this one? I look like a TV. It is just look like a television. I display results. Monitor is using or monitor is displaying the results. So this is the first part of a computer, that is monitor. In next page, when you turn in page number 16, you can see I am a mouse. I am a mouse. Okay, so this is the mouse, and what is the work of this mouse? I can help you to draw pictures. Mouse is using for drawing the pictures. If you look at this mouse, then you can see one wire is there. It is just like a tail of a mouse, and two buttons are there. You can see two buttons are there. It is called left button, and this one is known as right button. Okay, if you again you can see that here one scroll bar, one wheel is here. It is called scroll button. That is the third button of this mouse. So all these parts are collectively called mouse. What is the work of mouse? I can help you to draw the pictures. The next part of a computer, it is given in your book. It is in page number 17. You can see written there, I am a keyboard. It is the keyboard. You can see different keys are there. Some keys are alphabetical keys, some keys are number keys, and all these keys are collectively called keyboard. Okay, what is the work of this keyboard? I have buttons of alphabets, numbers and other signs. Different keys are having some specific works. The alphabet keys are used for typing alphabets, number keys are used to type numbers, and different other buttons are also there. My buttons are known as keys. So these buttons are called keys. So today I am going to explain only these three computer parts, and beside the book I am showing you what are the actual it looks like these different parts of a computer. Now I am trying to show you the actual look of these parts of our computer system. First I have read about the monitor. So this is our monitor. If you look at on your screen, this is our monitor. It looks like a television. Okay, and the next part which we have learned, it is the mouse. So mouse, you can see the mouse. It is our mouse. This is our mouse. In this mouse, if you see that here two buttons are there. It is called left button and this one is called right button. It is right button and it is left button. This is the scroll button. Okay, by this we can scroll the pages on our computer. So as I have explained that mouse is connected with a long wire to the CPU. So three things are here in mouse. It is left button, this one is right button, it is a scroll button, and then it is a wire which is connected with CPU. The next part of our computer system, we have learned that the keyboard. If you look at on your screen, it is our keyboard. This keyboard contains so many keys and these keys are having their specific work. Some keys are used for typing alphabets, some keys are used for typing numbers. So the keys which are used to type alphabets are called alphabet keys. The keys which are used for type numbers are called number keys. In our keyboard, number keys you can see in two places. First, here at the second top line, and then here you can see at the right side of this keyboard. So just same as the enter key, also you can see two enter keys in our keyboard. First one is here, enter key, and the another enter key is here. It is another enter key. So these are the different keys which you have to learn, and their what are the uses of those keys I am also going to explain in next upcoming chapters. So in this chapter you have to learn the keyboard having buttons of alphabets, numbers and other keys. So many other keys. The longest key of the keyboard is space bar key. As you know that the longest key of the keyboard is space bar key. So these are the different parts of our computer system which you have to learn, and I have explained in this chapter. Once again I am going to explain it for your convenient. It is lesson number 3, parts of computer. Okay, the first one is monitor. If you look at on your screen, it is our monitor. The spelling of monitor is M-O-N-I-T-O-R. You have to learn it. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. It looks like a television. This is our monitor, and you can see it is same as this actual monitor. Okay, the next part of our computer system which you have to learn, that is the mouse. Okay, this one is our mouse, M-O-U-S-E, mouse. You have to learn it, the spelling of this mouse. Mouse is used to draw the pictures. Okay, the actual look I have already seen you. This one, it is the actual mouse. Okay, the next one is keyboard, which I have already shown. This is our keyboard which contains so many keys, alphabets keys, number keys and other keys are also available here. Alphabets keys are used to type alphabets, number keys are used to type numbers. So in your book it is given there. What is the use of this keyboard? The keyboard are used to type alphabets, numbers and other signs. The spelling of this keyboard, K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D, keyboard. So what you have to do, you have to just take out a paper. That means you have to just open your computer, copy, and then the new page you have to open, where you have to write down the name of this chapter, the name of this chapter you have to write here. It is chapter number 3. Just like it, you have to write in your copy, computer copy, chapter number 3, and the name of this chapter is Parts of a Computer. So you have to write down the name of this chapter, Parts of a Computer. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to just start writing the name of this parts of a computer. First one we have learn the monitor, MONITOR. Second one we have learn, that is mouse, MOUSE, mouse. The third one we have learned the keyboard. So these 3 parts of your computer you have to write down in your copy at least 5 times. So this is your homework, classwork as well as the homework. You have to write down the name of these parts of computer at least 5 times, so that you can memorize it, and you can it is very helpful for memorizing the spellings of these parts of computer. That's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.